Whoa, 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 can I help you?
You're getting canceled.
For what? I didn't even do anything.
You said you hate farmhouse decor.
What? I don't hate farmhouse decor.
Well, now you do. See? I hate farmhouse decor.
How did you even... Listen, nobody's gonna believe you.
Nobody else knows that.
Oh my God, but why?
'Cause I want to see the world badly decorated.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Listen, I feel like cancel culture needs to be canceled. Everybody out here trying to cancel everything. One of the things that was being canceled was farmhouse decor. Everybody wants to get rid of it, but I love farmhouse decor. I know many of you still love that type of themed decor. Also, everybody is being told what to do, what not to do, so I would just suggest to do whatever the heck you want and whatever makes you happy, and I just want to keep sharing what makes me happy. Also, I love coming to you guys with inspiration, motivation, and above all else, budget-friendly stuff and humor, laughter. We all just need a little positivity in our lives. So with all that said, if you guys are into that, I would love for you to become part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Now that we got that out of the way, in today's video, we are gonna be making some farmhouse decor. And I know I've been sort of hating on Dollar Tree a little bit. Not really hating on it, just kind of, you know, wanting to take a breather on it, but we are going to be using Dollar Tree stuff. We're going to be using Goodwill stuff, you know, thrift store stuff, and I know there's other little things sprinkled in there. So if you don't have the stuff that I have, you know, you don't have to make it exactly how it is. Make sure you guys kind of think outside the box and find something that's going to be similar that is going to help you recreate what I made if you want to recreate that. And of course, if you absolutely hate farmhouse decor, this decor is not for you. But if you still enjoy it, you know, by all means, decorate away. Let's get on to the DIYs. So listen, for the first ones, we're going to keep it super simple, as you guys can see. I'm going to be using two vases. One is from Dollar Tree, one's one that I just had kind of laying around. And then I took these Dollar Tree napkin rings, and I already had them from a different project. Anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and glue these together and then glue them into the center of the vase. And you can make it as tall or as short as you want. I did actually end up making this a little bit taller. So what I'm doing now is saving myself some more money so that I don't have to fill the entire thing, and then also saving myself time because when I go in to put my stems or my florals, you're going to have that opening right in there. And also what I thought was cool is that you can add water to these, so you can put fresh flowers in here if you want. So I just made two, one's for a candle and one's for my greenery. I'm all about simple for these first projects, so we're going to make this candle holder using these little wooden plaque things from Dollar Tree, but I actually found these on Amazon, which are pretty similar with the exception that they have rounded corners. I did get the 5-inch ones. They come 50 pieces for $18.99. I did order these after I made this project, so I just wanted to show you guys. I do have that link down below also if you guys are interested, and then also if you guys saw there some beads from Dollar Tree, and then also one of those white candle holders. And right here, I'm just gonna add, I totally thought that this focused on the paint, but it obviously didn't. That color is pewter gray, and then this craft, I don't know what color that is. It's just not the color, but the name. It's from Dollar Tree. It's the chalkboard paint. I just added those two together with some water. You guys can see here it's going to make a nice stain, so I'm just going to go ahead and spray my wooden pieces. And then after that, I am going to be, actually I didn't even show you guys, but I took my beads and the candle holder and I spray painted it with a flat matte spray paint. And then I'm just going to go ahead and glue the beads in the center and glue everything else together to make that beautiful candle holder. On this gigantic wreath, which I love. You guys can see it hanging on my big barn door. I'm taking a Dollar Tree hula hoop. This is not like the biggest one. It's like the medium-sized one. It's from Dollar Tree. Did I already say that? And then all this greenery is from Goodwill. I bought it for $2.99. So the length is actually perfect to go around this twice. I am going to take a mixture of paint. You can just use white paint. And I am using some that I have left over from that project you see on the left that I'll share in a little bit. Otherwise, you guys can spray paint it also or wrap it or whatever you guys decide to do. And then the vine or the greenery, I'm just going to attach it with some floral wire. Alright, so I wanted to make a faux oil lamp, and it doesn't have the little knobby things that you would turn it on and off with, but I still think it looks pretty similar. So taking these two Dollar Tree items and then also some wire, I am going to set that textured jar to the side. I actually did spray paint that again with like a flat spray paint, and then I'm just going to take that floral wire, and you can use whatever color, but I think the black looks pretty good on it. I did like a little loop on the side, and then I just started like wrapping it around the base or like the top of the jar, and then just do as many loops as you want, but then you'll see that I made another little loop on that side. I hope I'm not losing you guys. You guys will see that this is going to be for the handle. The handle, which I'm going to make with some more of that wire, and I'm just going to take several pieces and kind of fold it over, and then you determine what length you want. But once I have all of my pieces, I'm just going to start twisting them really tightly so that it just becomes one piece.
Set myself aside, lead the way on this trial. If you don't know the way, we can stop and make a change. I know we walk for days, losing hope, fading love. This night will be okay, waking up to another day.
for this storage bin, I feel like you guys could use it for whatever you wanted. I actually just put our kitchen towels in it, and I am taking this little champagne holder thing from Dollar Tree. It's like a nice clear plastic. It's pretty sturdy. And then I'm also taking this knockdown like wall texture. This is what I use to do texture on the wall that we built for my daughter's room. Anyway, I'm just going to shake it really, really good and then just spray it on there. And you could leave the texture just how it is, but I just took a popsicle stick and textured it kind of how you're supposed to, and it's gonna texture the bin. So I feel like there's so many different things that you guys can use to add texture, but you know, I had this kind of laying around, so I wanted to give it a shot, and I actually really, really like it because once I add the paint on there, it kind of gives it a really nice like a ceramic or like a stone look. And then for my paint, I am going to be using just a normal like wall paint, and this is from Home Depot, and it's like bare and it's just like a flat white. I am going to mix it with that pewter gray and just, you know, basically mix till you like the color. I just added a little bit more than that actually to give it, you know, that like nice grayish look without going overboard. So just so you guys know, I did let this dry overnight just because I had other stuff going and I was working on this like at 10 o'clock at night. So I just left it overnight, and you'll see when it's nice and dry. And then adding I don't know why I'm super out of breath right now. So yeah, just adding the paint on there, you guys will see it's like a really nice, thick, like more of like a high quality look when you use this type of paint rather than like the thin acrylic paint.
I know we walk for days, losing hope, fading love. This night will be okay, waking up to another day.
Alright, so last but not least, I decided to do your typical farmhouse window and wreath, and this is actually a window that I made out of paint sticks and Jenga blocks from Dollar Tree. So I decided to recycle this. I'm not going to show you guys how I made this just because I already have a video on it, so I will make sure to link that video somewhere at the top or at the bottom in the description. And I made sure to create so much texture on this window like when I originally made it. So just taking my white paint, I'm just going to do a nice thick layer, and even though it's a thick layer, you're still going to be able to see the texture on it. And then I had this little wreath form, but then I ended up just using this single piece, and I'm just going to take some lamb's ear that I just kind of had floating around, and then also some beads, and those beads are also linked down in the description. Those are from Amazon. Excuse me. So yeah, I just cut up on that wreath form and just started threading my beads on there, and everything else is pretty super self-explanatory per usual. I always tell you guys, if you do have questions, make sure you guys leave them down in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as I can. It's 11 o'clock and I'm singing, so that must mean I am tired. So yeah, that's my serenade for you guys, and I'm just going to go ahead and call it good, let you guys watch, and yeah.
Is this the last time I can see you in a while? Is it the truth that you'll be living tonight? We should take a walk, then a swim in the sea. That will mean everything, yeah, everything to me. Can we get out of this one? Waiting and missing. I never thought you would leave me here. We can get out just like we got through everything else. But I see you, honey. This is.
Okay, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hoped you guys enjoyed everything about it. A little bit of humor, you know, that typical farmhouse decor stuff that I love and enjoy and forever will. And then also just, you know, I made it a little bit more simple, a little more neutral to fit maybe multiple styles. Anyway, if you did enjoy this video, I would love for you guys to hit that thumbs up. You guys already know any engagement on my channel truly helps me out. So leave your comments down below, any questions or suggestions. Make sure you leave them down there. And then also, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Bye.
No way, funny.